Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add another email account to Yahoo Mail. So first of all, open Yahoo. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto setting icon. After that, click on more settings option. Follow the left side. Click on to contact, and now shown here to Gmail option. Click on to input, select your email, or if you want to use another account, click on to continue, allow. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily add another email account to Yahoo Mail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.